Hi, Alison here, and I have a quick question for you. When you create your offer for your group program or your group coaching program or your online course, where does it sit in the value ladder? Now, I ask this because it's incredibly important to know where it sits in terms of, is your course there to attract people in at the front end, or is this going to be your core offer that you're looking to generate all your revenue from, revenue and profit? So it's important to know. The reason being is because then you can figure out, once you know where it's sitting, which funnel you need to build. So for instance, if your offer, if your course sits at the front end, so in other words the entry level, when people come in and they want to try and find out if they put one dip their toe in the water, then it's about creating a course that somebody can purchase and they can test it out, and they don't necessarily need that live interaction. Whereas if it's your core offer, then the chances are there will need to be some form of live interaction. Not always the case, but often sometimes the case. So my question to you is, figure out where does it sit in your value ladder, and then once you figure that out, then you can work out which type of funnel you need to build out your entire program. If you've got any questions on that, if you're not sure about what I'm even talking about, join me in my free Facebook group where I talk about all the different types of offers and courses, how you can market to them, and how you can actually launch your program, your online program, and earn the revenue that you're looking for. So that's me, Alison. I will hope to see you on the inside.